Hi, this is a short video for Kevin in Texas. This is your instrument cluster. I have your information in there. This is a private video. It's going to be just for you and me. This is a test after repairs, as I mentioned to you. All right, so let me just power up the instrument cluster. So again, everything will be here set up so we can see all the lights working. I'm going to turn the blinkers off and the high beam. Everything is working. All good. Now let me put some temperature. We'll see the fuel level and the temperature raising. I'm going to go higher so we can see almost in full, and then the high temperature should blink, and that is exactly what we have. There will be the fuel is the one that goes, I mean, the temperature will raise up first, then the fuel, the way I have it set up in here. So let's just give it a second. All right, so let me go up. As you can see now, there is all the full. And let me just now turn it off. Perfect. All right, I'm going to start now the speed test. It's going to start around 20 miles per hour. Perfect, 20 miles an hour. And this is just the test. Sorry, this is just the test that I usually do here, just to make sure that everything is working. Like I said, 100%. I'm very familiar with this one, so your cluster is 100% done. All, as you can see, very nice and very normal. All the stepper motors, all the current components, voltage regulator, all that is brand new. So the cluster will be in very good shape. And it was perfect timing. Hopefully, I mean, it's very, very good that you sent it this time because capacitors were leaking. It was about to damage the microprocessors. Perfect, perfect timing. As you can see, I don't want to keep it too much longer because otherwise I will increase too much the mileage. So let me just turn everything off. And now all off. All right, so this is just a short test video for your records and my records. I will be contacting you shortly to collect payment. Thank you so much for your business. See you next time. Bye bye.